gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and do a very special unboxing straight from Shane Dawson merch. Now I don't know about you guys, but I got really excited when I saw all this merchandise launching way back in. At that point I couldn't get my hands on any of the product as they sold out very quickly. Well, just recently they had a surprise restock and I was able to snag a few items. They arrived very quickly. I would say within about 2 or 3 days of actual ordering the product, they arrived at my doorstep, and that was without any special upgraded shipping or anything like that. Now, when they arrived, they did arrive in an all plain brown box, just like this. There isn't really any indication on the outside of where it came from, so that was a little disappointing. But I want to go ahead and try on the products I snagged up for you guys and just give you my overall review of the quality of the products, so stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and help a sister out. And we're back. Yes, I finally got my hands on the all over Shane Piggy hoodie. I love it so much. It is pretty warm. It has a nice lining on the inside and you can see that pattern comes through very well on camera. Ooh, I love it. Woohoo. But not only that, I also picked up whoosh, the, oh my god, piggy pants. Woohoo. Now, these ones, I probably could have got a size smaller. They're pretty baggy everywhere, but I wasn't sure because the hoodie and the pants were both made with cotton or a cotton blend. So I wanted to make sure I ordered them bigger, and then if they shrank, I'm still good. Plus, they're sweatshirts and jogger pants. You want to be comfy, right? But I love it and I am so excited to share with you guys. So stay tuned and I hope you like my little pictures.